Adi Shankara says in Bhajagovindam, at the time of inevitable death, nothing else but the name Govinda will save you. Do not be fascinated by the fleeting beauty of the flesh. When the element of prana quits your body, all inquiries about you halt. Even your loving spouse is terrified at the sight of the corpse. Raise the questions internally. Who are you? Where do you come from? And where will you go?
Tattvamasi.
Yavat pavano divasati dehi tavat prachati kushalam gehi gatavati vayau deha paye bharya bibhyati tasmin kaye kati kata tasye putrah samsaroyam ativa vichitratasya tvam tasya tvam tasya tvam भ्रातः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति नहि नहि रक्षति